Today I'm going to show you how I do easy hooded eye makeup, and we're going to start with how I choose colors. Now, I don't know if you can see this or not, but my blouse is actually kind of a chocolatey brown, and it has these little pink flowers in it. So I'm going to take my colors from my blouse today. So I've already got the pink lips for those little pink flowers, and then I'm going to stick with these two colors right here, this one and this one. This one's got a little bit too much red in it, I think. So this one and this one, this is kind of like a brown with a little bit of gray in it. And we're going to use those two colors for my eyes. And that way we can hopefully pull all this together. I'm going to load my brush up. Now this does not have a lot of fallout, so I'm not going to tap it. I'm going to use it all. Today I'm using a nude palette by MAC, and I love how blendable the colors are. Once that's blended, I'm going to use a smaller brush and that darker color, and I'm going to create a contour. I like to actually tap the color in place, and then once I get it in place, give it a little blend. So now I'm just bringing that contour out this way to actually make it look like it's a contour. So I'm going to bring it in, and I'm bringing it in all the way because of all this fat that I have above my eye. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not unhappy about the fat above my eye, but I would like to make it recede a little bit. And I'm just using whatever brush seems like the right size. But that's so me. I am definitely that person who's like, just use the brush that you want. Okay, so that's kind of where I want it to be. And my goal is just to be able to relax my eyes totally like this, like they're totally relaxed now, and I still want to be able to see some of that color. So that's why I have to bring it up so high. And then when I make it, different expressions with my face, it's going to look different, but it's only going to be up temporarily like that until it relaxes. So it's got to look semi-decent up, and then when it's relaxed, that's when I really want it to look good. Because that's probably how I'm going to look most of the day. Except when I'm staring at my computer, I'm going to be frowning. I'm a frowner, so I'll probably put a little tape in between my eyebrows to help prevent that. But now you can see the difference. This one is more receded, and this one is still, all that good fat is still forward. I'm just going to blend that. And I kind of try to swoop it up here a little bit. So when I'm going to go for an elongated look or try to bring my makeup up a little bit, I'm not going to do it from down here. If I do it from down here and I relax, look, all that is going to be, whatever I stuck there is actually going to be overlapped by that skin. Look how that stayed there. Oh my gosh. So instead of doing it from here, I'm going to take the color from here and bring it out this way a little bit. Just a little bit. All you need is a little bit to make a big difference. And that way I don't have all this congested mumbo jumbo down here. Now I'm going to use an El Cheapo brown eyeliner by Wet n Wild. And I'm going to make really short, soft little strokes. Really, really soft, wispy strokes until I've got a line that lines all the way down my lash line. For me, it's got to be super soft or it's going to make me look older. Then when I get out there to the end of my lash line, still with those soft, gentle strokes, I'm just going to give myself a little bit of a build-up right there, and that's going to give me a slightly lifted look. Then I'm going to take my little smudgy brush and just soften that up even more. Then I'm going to take that same pencil and I'm going to line under my top lash line. That's actually going on the waterline, and that's just going to sharpen up this look. Then for some finishing touches with lashes and eyebrows, and we're done. If your eyes are shaped similarly to mine, I want you to give this look a try and let me know how you did. Of course, if you enjoyed the video or got any value out of it at all, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you. You have no idea how much you really touch my life. As always, I will put all the products in the top pinned comment and also in the description so you can find everything you need. Now that those brows are on and I seem to be pretty happy with myself, there's only 2 things left to do, and that's put a little tiny bit of concealer right under that arch. By placing it just under the arch, you actually give your eyebrow a little lifted look. A little refresh on the lips, and we're good to go. Have an amazing day, and I will see you soon.